Hey there, creators. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your audio into text for your videos. Whether you're creating captions, scripts, or just need to make your content more accessible, I've got you covered. So, let's jump right in. First things first, we need to choose the right tool for the job. There are several options out there, but today I'll be using transcribe, which is super user-friendly and gives accurate results. Let's open it up. Here is the interface, clean, straightforward, and user-friendly. To get started, simply click on Start Transcribing for free. Next, sign in through your Google account. I'm going to choose mine. And here I am, inside the tool. Now, click on Transcribe Files and upload your audio file, or simply drag and drop it right here. While that's uploading, let me tell you why transcription is so important. It not only makes your content accessible to a wider audience, like those who are deaf or hard of hearing, but it also improves your SEO, making your videos easier to find online. Plus, having a transcript can save you time when creating subtitles or repurposing content. Here, you can see 3 transcription modes: cheetah, dolphin, and whale. I'm going to choose whale, which is the most accurate option. Once selected, just click on the transcript button. And there you have it, you can see it's now transcribing the audio to text. The software has started transcribing your audio file into text. This process might take a few minutes, depending on the length of your file. And here it is, transcribed and ready. Now, click on the name of the file, and it will open the transcription. Look, here's the result. Congratulations, you've done it. Now, I'm going to play my audio so you can see how accurately it has converted the text. Let's test it out.
A for ant, B for banana, B for bear, C for cat, C for car, D for dog, D for duck, E for elephant, E for egg, F for fish.
And as you can see, the result is spot on. You can now export your text. Simply click on the checkbox next to the file, and you'll see the export button appear. Choose the format you need. I'm going to choose Docs. Once the download is finished, open it up, and here you can see the result. And that's it. You've just transcribed your audio into text, making your content more engaging and accessible. So, as you can see, this is a free software that allows 3 transcriptions per day, making it a great option for quick and accurate transcription needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tricks, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.